What's good, everybody? It's Cashflow Nexus back with some XRP and crypto analysis. Your favorite crypto analyst give you the latest and greatest chart analysis. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe if you like what you see. And without further ado, let's hop right into the video. And when I start off my videos, I always start off with scripture. And today's scripture is Matthew 22:37 through 39. And Jesus said unto him, Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart and with all thy soul and with all thy mind. This is the first and great commandment. And the second is like unto it. Thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. So I love you guys because I'm supposed to love you guys. And even if you did me wrong, I would still love you guys. So that being said, let's jump right into the video. Let's see. I said today, not too long ago, I normally don't do this, but I'm feeling strongly about XRP Ripple making a huge move. What direction? Don't know, but keep your eyes on October 10th. Coming out with the video on why, and here's the video, you guys. So before we get into that, my analysis, I want to show you my before and after. I had put this out, maybe a day ago. Yeah, about a day ago on this particular, setup. And, you don't see it now, but look, I'm going to go to what it looks like. So there was a cipher pattern, a bat cipher pattern that was forming. And this was a bearish cipher pattern at that. So I had two targets for this trade. If you trade leverage, this is what leverage trading would look like, and I'm gonna show you. If you were to sell it, you would for a position selling it up here. This would be my take profit area. That was my first area, and my second one was down here, but that was more like a maybe type of thing if we got past this and we did break it. I'm gonna show you the aftermath of what happened. So here it is again. It formed this channel. You see, this is where price went, and bam, right there. From here, hit hard. XRP is a very sneaky pair to trade. If you are going to trade this, you have to really be on it with your P's and Q's when it comes to trading this pair. Because if you aren't, this pair would take your money and, just make you feel bad for even attempting to trade it. But that being said, I hope you guys like this part. So I'm going to go show you the scenarios of what I potentially have for you guys. All right. Going off the daily time frame. All right. This is what's interesting to me. All right. Let me go ahead and make it a little bigger. So we have immediate resistance here. This flat level of the Kumo. Right here, we have the flat level of our Kijun. So we have a strong resistance right here at the level of 27,074. So that being said, at this level, it's going to be hard to break it. Now, today, if we could get our daily candle to close like this is showing strong movement to the upside. All right. This is considered a hammer candle. If it closes like this, we will see price move further to the upside, and we will have immediate resistance as well at 26.1 and 26. 26.1 and 26. So we have immediate resistance right here and right here as well. So this is a concerning area that I'm worried about, because you see here immediately we got rejected. Immediate rejection, and now we're having immediate rejections at the lower levels here. But if we can close like this, price could probably shoot up and at least close right here and probably come back down. This will give us this bearish scenario. I'm gonna show you the bullish scenario first. Bullish scenario, we come here because we are in a TK zone. We have a C clamp forming with Tinkerson and Kijun. So price is oversold right now. All right. So now that we established that price is oversold with our red and blue line and Tinkerson, Kijun, what we have to do at this point for a bullish momentum is if we could get this to move up and we could get a bullish TK cross, which will be the red line and the blue line crossing one another, we will definitely experience what we experienced back here, explosion in price. And where would I take profit at if we explode in price? I could see us coming back here to the 28th level, and that will be resistance right there. And if that happens, this will show that we will have, this will support this trend line here. So this is my bullish scenario going up to 28 cents. If we could hold at this level, consolidate here until we get to October 10th, then we could take off. All right. I'm going to show you guys how I got October 10th as a day of change in direction. Here's a tool that's called the Fibonacci time zone. All right. So how it's used, it's a time theory with Ichimoku with numbers. So I go over, you see it lines up. You see it lined up perfectly with this day the market dropped. You see it lined up here, market changed the next day. You see here it lined up, market changed the next day, it exploded up. You see it lined up here, market exploded right here. You see right here, it was a purple candle, now it's a blue candle. Now the next thing, if we could continue up, let's say we explode to the upside. Let's see where we at. We'll see if we explode to the upside and could hold at this level between 28.88, 28.877. If we could hold here between here and 27 cents and just range, I could see us moving to a higher price. That's the bullish scenario coming up here, or continue making this trend to the upside, slowly creeping up this channel and then exploding up. That's another scenario. Now the bearish scenario, I have two bearish scenarios now that I'm looking at this chart again. We could do the same thing. Range up, get to this day, explode down. If we could explode down, I see price moving to the 22 cent level to test it out again. And if we break at that 22 cent level, 15 cents to 16 cents will be the next price that I will be targeting. And the reason why I say 15, we look back in the past. Let's go back. Jesus. So you see here how price touched down back here. So I'm going to put another one. Let's see, right in here. Close to 20 cents. So between here, these are levels that I would be concerned about if we are to break past 22 cents. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Looking at it on the 4-hour time frame, we are showing strong rejections right here. Like I said before, we have immediate resistance here and here. All right. If we could break here, this will be where we are our third level of resistance. All right. This is what I'm concerned about. We could get through here. If we could range here, October 10th, boom, explode to the upside, or boom, explode down. It's very problematic, but I do see that scenario happening. This could be a bearish flag. Coming up here, here, boom, down. So let's go to the hour. This has been a strong level of support so far, thus far. I believe if we could continue holding here and we still had some strong rejection, we might move higher to the upside. So I'm not too worried about this level because it has been strong here. If we do break it, we will see lower prices. 22 cent will be the next level. It shows here and possibly in here as well, 23, 22. So that's an interesting scenario. So looking at it at the 15, this is the last time frame I'll be looking at, just to show you guys once again how it played out. So currently, We're right here. If we could get above this cloud, we'll have a good chance of breaking even higher to the upside. Right now we are at a resistance with this flat part of the cloud, and we are underneath the cloud as well. So price might want to go even lower. But here's the thing, we have a bullish TK cross. As you see, once we get this bullish signal, we explode to the upside. So that's my analysis for you guys. I hope you guys, take it with a grain of salt. I'm not a financial advisor. I just say do your own due diligence and really study the market. Really pay attention to what's going on. Really understand the market reading these charts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment and subscribe your thoughts, and let's make some money together, all right? God bless you guys, and peace.